Hello, fellow interneters of the world. Well, pretty much this is my first vlog ever. So I think that's pretty cool. I even got backtrack music. I've never tried that. It took me so long. Anyway, so I'm Savannah. Yes, I prefer Sav. I am weird. I am crazy. Everybody knows me as, well, the weird, crazy one. I've usually been a social outcast in this world. But I fit in okayly-ish. Anyway, so my life story is basically I was born in a small town of a population of 200. And I woke up one day being held in the arms of my mother. And then I realized I was weird forever and ever. So that's my life story. So basically, I love cats. I want to introduce you to my cat. This is Rastus. Rastus, say hello, kitty kitty. This is my baby. He's 15 years old, as I am 15 years old also. I love cats and I love hats. This is one of my favorite hats. It's a duck. I love ducks. Well, not really, but that doesn't matter. So this is my first vlog and I don't know what to talk about. So if you guys would like to subscribe and leave your opinions in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you for taking up your own precious time. Thank you. Bye!